Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Valentine phones in your Instagram stories. See if you want to add a romantic touch to your Instagram stories this Valentine season. In this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the Valentine theme fonts to make your stories look aesthetic and love-filled. So to start, you need to make sure that your Instagram is already up to date. You can check it on your App Store and Play Store. And if there's any update available, you can just update the apps right away. And once your Instagram is updated, you can just open it and open the Instagram story camera. Here I'm going to just select a photo first. Let's say I'm going to use this ones right here. As you guys can see at the very top, there will be this a that looks like that's pink at the beginning, and when you click on that, there will be these two new phones, Valentine theme phones that you can use. The first one is Sweetheart and the second one is Heartbreaker. So you can just choose which one to use on your Instagram story. Let's say let's try the first one, the Heartbreaker first. Okay, let's just write, for example, like this. Happy Valentine. You can mention your partner in here, and you can also change the phone. I'm going to go with red. If you want to, you can add this effect, flutter or jag, as you guys can see here. And after that, you can just tap on done. Here you can adjust the position of the phone. You can also change it with the second one. I'm going to use the flutter effect, and the phone I'm going to change it into Sweetheart. You can adjust the size and tap on done, and this will be the result. If you want to, you can also add some gift related to Valentine's days, and don't forget to mention your significant other. Okay, for example, I'm going to just go with this one, and that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.